Okay, so here we go. We got a box in from Sweetwater. Sweetwater Music Instruments and Pro Audio. This should be the Evans. This is the Evans Sound Off box set. It muffles your drum. I don't want to disturb the people downstairs any more than I have to, but got a couple of slices here on the top. I'm just hoping that it didn't. They don't look like they're too deep, but we're going to find out real quick. Let's pop this open and see what we got. Always carry a knife in case there's cake to be cut, right? Ah, it didn't go through good. They always do really nice packing too. Let us see. I heard something. Ooh. This is what it looks like. And my drums aren't in yet, so but you've got a 12 inch, 13 inch, 14 inch, 16 inch tom, hi-hat, cymbals, 16 inch cymbal, 14 inch hi-hat, 20 inch ride, and 18 to 26 inch bass drum. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like inside. That's pretty thick. These are pretty thick. I guess that would mute it. Hopefully, I will get my drums before Christmas. Well, actually, they're supposed to be here mid-November. I was I ordered them on 2nd of September, but they're being made, so hey, might as well get ready for it. And I'll come back and add whenever they get here, and after I've tuned them and so forth, and added this to them, I'll come back and do an actual overview of what I think about it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing here. It just shows you what's inside it and everything, and that it's from Sweetwater. Uh, if you like this, be sure and subscribe. I love subscribers. And you got any comments? Leave them down in the comments and hit like. I'll leave a link to Sweetwater in this on down at the bottom as well. Y'all have a great day.